In this activity, you also learned how to open your inbox and write an email that includes a recipient's email address, a subject line, a message, and an attachment. There are many reasons why you might choose to communicate with your friends and family over email, aside from choosing activities to do together. You could ask an instructor a question about an assignment. Tell your supervisor that you're taking a sick day. Notify a work colleague about a new office policy. Get involved in a community group planning an event. Contact family members across the country about an upcoming reunion. The speed of email makes it a very convenient way to communicate. Plus, you can reach multiple people with just one message, and you can include attachments. You could include an additional file, such as a photo or a plane ticket, inside a letter, but it would take much longer to reach the recipient. And, of course, you can't include attachments on a phone call. In the next activity, you will learn more ways to use your email, such as replying to emails, changing the format of your text, including an image, and managing your inbox. If you are using a public computer and are done working for the day, sign out of your Google account. And close all browser tabs and windows, so no one else can access your account information. Or click the arrow to move on to the next activity.